Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can set a custom ringtone in your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Open YouTube and search for marimba tones or any other song you want. So I found one ringtone. What will I do is copy the link of this video and go to online video converter and download it in MP3. Now copy the URL of the video and paste it in this box. And after choosing the duration, click on start. Now open the song directly in iTunes by right clicking on it and choosing open with iTunes. Now add this song to your iPhone. On your iPhone, download Ringtone Maker app and open it. Choose the song we have copied earlier, select the portion and save it. After this, make sure in iTunes the option to manually sync the music is turned on. This is the most important step of this video. Go back to iTunes and choose file sharing in your device and click on Ringtones app. Select the saved ringtone and drag it to the desktop. Now in iTunes, select the tones option and again drag the ringtone into the tones folder. As you can see, the ringtone has been added. If this video was helpful, please smash the like button and subscribe my channel for further updates. So here's Bharat signing off. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.